First thing we need to do to take the Vector apart is remove the silencer from the host weapon. We're going to do that by confirming the firearm is empty. Remove the magazine, check the chamber, there's nothing in it. Okay, now that we know the firearm is unloaded, now that we have the silencer separate from the firearm, the first thing we're going to do is get our ratchet. We need a ratchet because it fits the front cap profile. So we stick that in there. Break loose the front cap. Alright. Removing the front cap. Now this silencer is brand new because I didn't want to get dirty taking apart a dirty one. Okay, there's going to be 2 baffles in the extension housing. Oops. There's 2. Really? There's 2 baffles in the extension housing. Alright, we'll take it off now. Okay, and it's just a hollow piece of tubing that screws down to compress the primary baffle stack. Now, we're just going to take the whole baffle stack, we're going to stand it up on the table and slide the baffles off. And we'll take it out. Now, once you shoot it some, you might have to stick a pencil in here to push it a little bit to get it started. And this ring may want to stick on the rear cap because it seats on a groove on it. So, once you get the baffle stack out, that's what this is for. This allows you to get some purchase on your rear cap without damaging it. Alright, tube is empty at this point. What we're going to notice here is there's a little tiny lip on the rear cap, and that tubing locks over it. Sits down on it. Let's see if you can hear it snap. Hear it click. And that creates a sealed environment. Alright. And then the first baffle has a shoulder on it right here, and it'll lock onto that side like that. And that creates a blast chamber completely sealed from the tube wall. Once you get this apart, like I said, this will typically not, after you shoot it a lot, it'll want to do that. But it's easy to get out. I mean, you screw the cap out and then it'll pop right off. The baffles just pop apart one at a time, all the way down the stack. Of course, these are all brand new, so they're not dirty. That's all there is to taking the baffles apart. See, these 2 are kind of stuck a little bit, but they just pop apart. All right, these 2 are stuck just a smidge. There they go. Now, completely disassembled. Clean it to your heart's desire. Then once you clean everything to your liking, you're gonna put the rear cap back in the tube. Take the little hand tool that comes with it and just snug it. And all this is for is just to give you some purchase on this tapered rear cap. You're going to stack up the baffles, alternating the baffles as you go. There's a little port in them, and you're going to turn the port back and forth as you go up. And then once you get them stood back up in it, screw the extension housing back on it. I'm putting it together in a long configuration just to store it. But you can put the front cap on in place of the extension housing and have the 5-inch version that way. Then drop in your last 2 baffles into the extension housing. And just stick your front cap back on. And tighten it appropriately, either to 45 to 48 inch-pounds or to about 1/8 of a turn. You'll feel it get good and tight as you tighten it with the ratchet. If you don't happen to have an inch-pound torque wrench, it'll work fine either way. And you're done. It's reassembled and ready to go. We'll see y'all later. This is David with Liberty Suppressors. If y'all like my videos, hit the subscribe button. If y'all like this video, thumbs up it, dude. I'd appreciate it. We'll talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.